Now that we've covered multi-index selection in the last video, let's take a look at datetime selection, because this is another area where Pandas really does a great job of just making things super intuitive. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and load that same New York City taxi data set that we've been working with the past few videos and convert that to a data frame. Now, there's one, I think, bug in Pandas right now. This is in version 2.2, might exist in 3.0 as well, where you can't use pi arrow data types when you set a datetime index. So I'm explicitly casting my datetime column to a Pandas datetime type, the old school kind of datetime 64. And then when I do that, I can set the index. Now what I have what's called a datetime index. And when I have that, I kind of unlock all these shortcuts. So if I just want to see all my records that are from 2024, I can just do df.log 2024. If I want to see everything from January 2024 or March of 2024, I just pick that month. And as kind of a last convenience, if I have a sorted index, then what I could do is even slice ranges, right? So I could say like, give me everything between and inclusive of January 1st, 2024 on through January 5th, 2024. So super simple, very easy way to work with date times just by leveraging the datetime index.